Hey drone enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking to capture breathtaking aerial footage? Want to know which Xiaomi drone delivers the best performance for your money? Or maybe you're just curious about what the tech giant has to offer in the aerial photography space. Well, you're in the right place because today we're counting down the top 7 Xiaomi drones available in 2025. Let's dive right in with our countdown. 7. Xiaomi Mijia P11 Max. The Mijia P11 Max represents Xiaomi's entry into the budget-friendly drone market with some impressive specs on paper. Equipped with what the company calls an 8K HD camera and 5G connectivity, this drone promises high-quality aerial photography and stable transmission. During my testing, I found the setup process relatively straightforward, with the drone ready to fly within minutes of unboxing. The P11 Max features a dual camera system that allows for some creative shooting options. I particularly enjoyed the ability to switch between cameras for different perspectives. The drone also comes with obstacle avoidance technology, which is becoming standard across most modern drones. However, I noticed that the obstacle detection wasn't always reliable, especially in complex environments with multiple obstacles or in low light conditions. There were a few close calls during my testing where the drone nearly collided with tree branches despite the advertised avoidance system. Flight time is advertised at around 40 minutes, but in my real-world testing, I consistently got closer to 30 to 32 minutes before needing to land. This isn't terrible for a drone in this price range, but it's worth noting the discrepancy between advertised and actual performance. The remote control is comfortable to hold for extended periods, though I found the button layout somewhat unintuitive compared to other models I've tested. The image quality from the P11 Max is decent in good lighting conditions, but falls short of true 8K resolution. Videos appear more like upscaled 4K, lacking the crisp detail you'd expect from genuine 8K footage. Number 6. Xiaomi Mijia Z908 Pro. Moving up our list, the Mijia Z908 Pro offers several improvements over the P11 Max. This drone features a more robust build quality with a foldable design that makes it highly portable. The 8K professional dual camera setup with GPS functionality promises enhanced image quality and stability. During my testing across various locations, I found the Z908 Pro to be a capable performer with some notable strengths and weaknesses. The Z908 Pro boasts an impressive 40-minute flight time according to specifications, and I was pleasantly surprised to achieve around 36 minutes in real-world conditions, much closer to the advertised time than the P11 Max. The brushless motors provide smooth operation and contribute to the drone's overall stability in flight. I tested it in winds up to 15 kilometers per hour, and it maintained position admirably, though I wouldn't push it much beyond that. One area where the Z908 Pro falls short is in its obstacle avoidance system. Despite claiming advanced obstacle detection, I found it somewhat inconsistent during testing. In open areas, it performed adequately, but in more complex environments like forests or urban settings, it occasionally failed to detect smaller obstacles. This required more manual intervention than I'd prefer, especially when compared to higher-end models in Xiaomi's lineup. The control range is advertised at an ambitious 10,000 meters, but I experienced signal degradation beyond about 3,000 meters in open areas, which is still impressive, but not quite as advertised. The camera system on the Z908 Pro delivers good quality footage, though again, the 8K claim seems somewhat optimistic. Number 5. Xiaomi Mijia M6. The Xiaomi Mijia M6 marks a significant step up in quality and performance. This professional-grade drone combines powerful features with intuitive controls, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced pilots. After extensive testing across various environments, I can confidently say the M6 delivers an impressive aerial photography experience. The M6 comes equipped with an 8K professional HD camera mounted on a stabilized gimbal system. The image quality is noticeably superior to the previous models on our list, with sharper details and more accurate colors. During my testing, I captured stunning landscape footage with excellent dynamic range and clarity. The 120-degree wide-angle lens provides a generous field of view without excessive distortion at the edges. The dual camera functionality allows for seamless switching between horizontal, vertical, and overhead shooting, giving content creators versatile options for their projects. Flight performance is where the M6 truly shines. Powered by efficient 1503 brushless motors, this drone offers exceptional stability even in challenging conditions. I tested it in winds up to 20 km/h, and it maintained position with minimal drift. The advanced obstacle avoidance system works reliably, detecting and navigating around obstacles from multiple directions. This gave me confidence to fly in more complex environments where the P11 Max and Z908 Pro would have struggled. The optical flow positioning and altitude hold features ensure stable hovering, which is essential for capturing smooth, professional-looking footage. The M6 offers approximately 18 minutes of flight time, which is less than the Z908 Pro, but still sufficient for most shooting sessions. Number 4. Xiaomi Mijia V88. The Xiaomi Mijia V88 represents a significant advancement in Xiaomi's drone technology, offering a perfect balance of portability and performance. This mini drone weighs just 132 grams when folded, making it incredibly travel-friendly, yet it doesn't compromise on features or capabilities. After testing it extensively across various scenarios, I've been consistently impressed by its performance. The V88 features an 8K camera that delivers genuinely impressive image quality. Unlike some of the previous models where the 8K claim seemed stretched, the V88 produces crisp, detailed footage with excellent color reproduction. The camera system benefits from Xiaomi's improved image processing algorithms, resulting in footage that requires minimal post-processing. During my sunset test shoots at the coast, the dynamic range handling was particularly impressive, capturing both the vibrant sky colors and shadowed foreground details without losing information in either extreme. One of the V88's standout features is its brushless motor system, which provides exceptional flight stability and longevity. These motors operate more efficiently than the brushed motors found in some competing models, resulting in smoother flight characteristics and reduced maintenance requirements. The drone's 6-axis gyroscope works in tandem with the motors to ensure stable flight even in moderately windy conditions. I tested it in winds up to 15 to 20 km/h, and it maintained position admirably with minimal drift. Battery performance is another area where the V88 excels. Equipped with a 3.7 volts 1800 mAh lithium-ion battery, this drone consistently delivered around 33 to 35 minutes of flight time during my tests, impressively close to the advertised 35 minutes. 3. Xiaomi K6 Max. The Xiaomi K6 Max represents a significant leap forward in Xiaomi's drone technology, offering professional-grade features in a user-friendly package. This drone combines advanced imaging capabilities with intelligent flight systems, making it suitable for both enthusiasts and professional content creators. After extensive testing across diverse environments, I can confidently say the K6 Max delivers exceptional performance. The K6 Max features a sophisticated triple-camera system with 4K resolution that enables versatile shooting options. During my testing, I was particularly impressed by the drone's ability to capture horizontal, vertical, and overhead perspectives with a simple camera switch. This flexibility is invaluable for content creators who need different shot compositions without changing equipment. The image quality is outstanding, with excellent detail retention and natural color reproduction. Even in challenging lighting conditions, such as golden hour or partial cloud cover, the cameras performed admirably, capturing nuanced tones and maintaining good exposure balance. Flight performance is where the K6 Max truly distinguishes itself from lower-ranked models. The drone features a comprehensive 360-degree obstacle avoidance system that works remarkably well in practice. I intentionally flew it through moderately complex environments, including wooded areas and urban settings, and the obstacle detection consistently identified potential hazards and navigated around them smoothly. This level of protection inspires confidence when flying in challenging locations, allowing pilots to focus more on composition and less on avoiding collisions. The optical flow positioning system maintains stable hovering even without GPS signal, making indoor filming possible and reliable. Number 2. Xiaomi M3 Pro. The Xiaomi M3 Pro stands as one of the most impressive drones I've tested this year, combining cutting-edge technology with exceptional ease of use. This professional-grade drone features a revolutionary triple-camera system that delivers stunning 8K footage across various shooting scenarios. After weeks of intensive testing in diverse environments, I can confidently say the M3 Pro represents a significant achievement in consumer drone technology. The camera system on the M3 Pro is nothing short of remarkable. The 8K main camera produces incredibly detailed footage with excellent dynamic range and color accuracy. During my testing in the mountains at sunrise, the camera captured both the vibrant sky colors and the shadowed valley details without losing information in either extreme. The additional cameras provide alternative perspectives, allowing for creative shooting options without changing your flight path. The 90-degree field of view strikes an ideal balance between coverage and distortion control, resulting in professional-looking footage straight from the drone. I was particularly impressed by the low-light performance, which maintained clarity and color fidelity even in challenging lighting conditions. Flight performance is where the M3 Pro truly excels. With a maximum transmission range of 2.7 kilometers, I was able to capture sweeping landscape shots from significant distances without any signal degradation or latency issues. The drone's stability in flight is exceptional, maintaining precise positioning even in winds up to 10 kilometers per hour. The brushless motors provide smooth, quiet operation while delivering responsive performance when needed. 1. Xiaomi Mijia V198GPS. The Xiaomi Mijia V198GPS stands as the undisputed flagship of Xiaomi's drone lineup, representing the pinnacle of their aerial technology. After extensive testing across challenging environments and shooting conditions, I can confidently declare this the most impressive consumer drone I've used in 2025. The V198 GPS combines professional-grade imaging capabilities with intelligent flight systems in a package that's accessible to both experienced pilots and enthusiastic beginners. The camera system on the V198 GPS is truly exceptional, featuring a genuine 8K HD camera with a 120-degree wide-angle lens that captures breathtaking footage with incredible detail and clarity. During my mountain landscape tests, I could discern individual trees on distant ridgelines, and the dynamic range handling preserved both shadow detail and highlight information in high-contrast scenes. The camera is mounted on a sophisticated 3-axis gimbal that provides rock-solid stabilization even during aggressive maneuvers or in windy conditions. I deliberately tested it during breezy coastal flights, and the footage remained smooth and professional-looking throughout. The color science is particularly impressive, delivering natural, vibrant tones that require minimal post-processing adjustment. Flight performance sets the V198 GPS apart from everything else in Xiaomi's lineup. Powered by high-efficiency brushless motors, this drone offers exceptional stability and responsiveness in all flight conditions. I tested it in winds approaching 20 kilometers per hour, and it maintained position with minimal drift, allowing for precise framing even in challenging environments. The GPS positioning system works flawlessly, providing accurate location data and enabling advanced features like automatic return to home and position hold. Final thought, and there you have it, the definitive ranking of Xiaomi's top drones in 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking to explore aerial photography or a professional seeking the ultimate tool for your creative vision, Xiaomi offers options across various price points and capability levels. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments which of these drones you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy flying.